what exactly type 2 diabetes is and how it differs from, say, type 1?
Type 2 diabetes is a metabolic, in general, if we say diabetes, it is metabolic disorders that are common phenotype is hyperglycemia, that is high sugar. It consists of various types. Type 2 is mainly because of insulin resistance and increased blood sugar levels because of low or high insulin levels in the body. The type 2 is mainly autoimmune related disease, and it is mainly destruction of beta cells in the body, which leads to decreased production of insulin and further causing diabetes, that is hyperglycemia. So these are the main difference. Main is lifestyle disease, other is the autoimmune disease that is causing hyperglycemia.